This is known as autoclaving machine. The all containers and all drums are inserted or put into the cylindrical hollow space of the autoclaving machine for the sterilization of the instrument. After that, close the door for the sterilization of instrument.
मार चोद दिए भैया जी आप तो।
Hello everyone, here I am Vipul Yadav from your feed. Today my clinical duty has been started, so my posting in CSSD board Central Style Supply Department. Commonly we say that CSSD board means that sterilization board. I want to share my whole day experience, what happened in the sterilization board with the contaminated surgical items and which technique used to sterile the contaminated instrument, and I give you knowledge how to use autoclaving machine. And so firstly remove your shoes to prevent the infection in the sterilization board, and wear the slippers which is used in the sterilization board to prevent the infection and prevent the cross infection from. Now the work has been started. Machine in the starting mode for create the steam. These containers are shipped in the horizontal autoclaving machine. Each container have a special and unique instrument which is used in the different type of surgical procedure, such as it is used for hernia surgery. General instrument are available in this container, and gallbladder set instrument all are present in this container. These containers are inserted in the space for the autoclaving for the sterilization of the instrument. This is known as autoclaving machine. In this bag have some instrument which is used in the bone surgery and bone fracture. Now machine has been started, and after the 25 minutes and 30 minutes, all containers are removed from the machine because it is the authentic time for the sterilization of the instrument. Now 9:54 time has been started. After the 30 minutes, the all containers, the all drums put out from the autoclaving machine because 30 minutes is the authentic time for the sterilization of the instrument, and the right temperature of this machine 121 Celsius, and authentic pressure which is exerted in the machine 15 Pascal for the sterilization of the instrument. And after the 25 and 30 minutes, open the machine, open the door, see the all containers. There are all sterilized in the autoclaving machine and free from microorganisms, because this is known as horizontal autoclaving machine. The temperature is too much high, so my hand burn. I will try to remove this. I remove, and after I remove the container. These all our containers are free from infection and microorganisms because they are sterile in the autoclaving. These are still used for the remove the container from the autoclaving machine. So you can, these all container free from microorganisms because they are sterile in the autoclaving machine, and further ready for use surgical procedure such as hernia and general OT, IOT, etc. And I know that how to operate autoclaving machine. Really, it's an amazing experience. I got it in this day. Thank you so much.